of his concert. But thank you so much. Yes, please. Mr. Ronnie, can I have you on stage? Thank you. Banango Mwami Onamomofere, that is a man all the way from Norway. Mr. Ronnie, your heart is so beautiful. This gentleman, a few years ago, he had on your email after seeing what I was doing for the kids. Random families, random kids. And he told me, Spice, I think with that heart we can join hands and be there for these children. And from that moment, we've been doing this from just a one room to our home, to our community. Right now, we are taking care of thousands of children, and we're looking at saving the whole of Uganda. We have a huge number of kids, special children, and our voice to kill the stigma. Spice Diana as the voice of the special children of Kayama's heart. We need some tissues, please. Mr. Ron, you want to say a word or two?
Yes. I will just say that it is wonderful to have you.
Thank you.
Because I've been to 160 countries, but I never found a house like you. And so without your support, telling people, because I think Ugandans don't really know what's going on with many of these children because they are hidden away. And to be awareness, we can do something together. And Uganda has the most beautiful people in the world. So I know they can do something about it. And thank you so much for giving help. But these are the real heroes, especially those of us. So thank you for all you do, and all your team, and all of you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you, Mr. Ron. In a special children foundation. We can change the world together, I believe. There is so much we can do, and we can change the world. Thank you so much.